Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a plan with me in the Daily Duo by Erin Condren. This is a new planner and a new layout to me. So I will have everything listed in the description below, including where you can get the planner and where you can get this lovely kit that I'm using from LC Stickers. So I hope you guys can stick around. Guys, so this planner does not start until July, but I want to go ahead and use it in June. So what I'm doing is I'm going to the second planner, because with the Daily Duo you actually get two planners. You get one that starts July to December, and then the other one is from January to June. However, you can go ahead and order this planner for all of next year if you want to. So that's why it's called the Daily Duo, because you do actually get two planners. So I just wanted to show you guys this. We're going to be doing a Friday, Saturday, Sunday plan. The reason I'm showing you guys this so you can get a feel for the layout. So you have your date up here, you have a little calendar here, you have your hours, it goes from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. You have a to-do list, and then you have this empty box here. On the weekend, it's different. You have a Saturday and Sunday on one page. There is no hours, but down here you have notes, inspiration, and reflection. And then you have a little calendar down here. So I'm gonna flip you guys to where I've already whited everything out. So I whited out the date and the calendar just because, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Just because I'm really excited to get into it and just try to test it out. So let's go through the kit. So whenever you order a full kit from LC Stickers, you do get this icon page. Here's the first page. You have your full boxes. And now this kit is not made for this planner. It's actually made for the Happy Planner dashboard layout. But I really thought this was really cute, and I'm gonna make it work in this planner. So you have your full boxes here, you have some trackers, some build you, and some checklists. You have another full boxes, and this is so that you guys can pick which boxes you want to use. In the dashboard layout, there's actually different spots that are bigger and open. So then you have some scripts with some icons. You have your date covers and your numbers, and your weekly tracker and some flags. I am a PR rep for LC Stickers, and I will link her shop below with my PR code that will save you 20%. You have another full box and some washi. Then you have the option to buy different things to add on. So I bought these because I thought that they would look really great in the hourly section. So if you had something going on that hour, you can just write it in this box and put it in. I got these glitter headers because why not? I got these checklists, which I thought was really neat because on this side they're full checklists, but on this side they're halfway. So I thought that was really neat because I'm constantly cutting my checklist in half or even smaller, so maybe this time I won't have to cut so much. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and put my day cover on there and my washi that covers up the blue. So we're starting on a Friday. I love how big that is. And then I'm going to take these two smaller strips of washi and I'm going to put up here at the top. Alright, so I put the date cover on there and the washi strip. You did see that I did cut this and it's a little too short, but again, that's no problem. If you had a really cute sticker you want to put up there, you could. So our next, I'm gonna figure out what I want to put here. So let's go back to the boxes. I'm thinking about putting this box right here and then this box down there. So let's go ahead and do that. Again, it's a lot of trial and error just because this is not made for this planner, but with a little work, you can make it fit. Okay. Okay, so that turned out really pretty. Now I'm gonna put this box down here. So there you go. And now, so I put these two boxes here, but I still want to have something here to explain why there's this checklist. So I think I'm going to cover this like that. So I ended up putting this box here and I can label it a to-do or to clean. I usually wait and label that whenever the day comes so I can figure out like what all I have going on. Now you could make another checklist in this box, or you could write a big quote on here. I'll probably end up writing a quote here and maybe like an important spot here and doing some important like things I have to get done. But then I like using some boxes and I like to write breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I'm going to do that with these purple ones. And the reason I like doing these is because I know that everybody is going to be busy at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I like to cover up as much of the hour as I can. So we usually have breakfast around 7:30. We have lunch at 11:30 every day. And then dinner we have around 4:30. So I like how these boxes cover up almost the full hour section. And then if you guys get this page, you can actually write like clean house or run errands or doctor's appointment, and only covers up like the half an hour mark for the half an hour so that you're able to write different things in here. So on the next page, we're gonna keep going with this kit, and I'm gonna actually put this bigger box down here. So we're gonna do that first. And then I'm gonna take this washi strip that we have left and I'm gonna put it down here and cover up that green. This green does not go with this kit. Now again, you can wipe these sections out, or if you have like another sticker that could go there. I'm gonna actually use these flags and I'm gonna put the purple ones at each corner just to cover that up. You can white it out, whatever you choose to do. Again, she will be making some kits for the Daily Duo. She just hasn't got hers in yet, so, which I'm sure a lot of shops are that way, because where this planner is so new, a lot of shops don't have the kits out. So I thought it'd be neat for me to get on here and show you guys like different ways to do it if you don't have a kit for it. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna put on the date covers. I'm gonna go a little bit above because I want to be able to use some washi. Saturday, and then again on this planner, your Saturday and your Sunday are together. So I'm gonna put Sunday, and then I'm gonna put a washi strip. But I'm actually gonna use these glitter headers because I think that'll look really pretty. And I think I'm gonna go like this purple and the gray and back and forth. Just to add a little pop because it is the weekend. Now I'm gonna wipe these two marks out here. Just because I don't want to see that green. There. Now since the weekend doesn't have the allergy section, I do like to use the checklist and make my own like to-dos. So we're gonna pull in some boxes. I'm gonna go like a bigger box. So let's do like the, which purple do we use? This purple and the gray. Now I'll write a like to do. So I'm gonna put to do here. Now, what I've been doing is putting like a washi strip here and then putting like my clean list. I put another box, so I use those. Let's do this one this time. Just line it up there in the middle. Actually, no. So I'm gonna put that box there, and then I'm going to put this clean that came in the kit right there. And then you can do like another checklist, like right up here, or you can just like write it in each day. So that's probably what I'll do. Now in this section here, what I'm going to do is put my weekly trackers in it. So we'll do one here, one here, and then, which I thought was really neat with this kit, she includes this bigger one. So I'm actually gonna see, yes, that fits there. So I'm gonna put that one here. And I'll do our mills here and then other trackers here. But let's see how it looks all put together. So you guys, that is the spread. And I did use a dashboard layout kit, so it's not made for this planner, but as you can see, it does work pretty well. This kit is from LC Stickers. I will link the shop below, and guys, I have so many stickers left. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe, and I hope to have more videos coming out soon. Bye guys.